Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel where we share valuable insights to help you achieve greatness in every aspect of your life. Today, we have an extraordinary topic that will transform your life for the better. Get ready to uncover the 10 habits that will make you successful. Before we dive into these habits, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered what separates the successful from the rest? Is it sheer luck? Or is there something more to it? Well, let me tell you, success doesn't just happen overnight. It's a result of consistent effort and the right habits that define who we are. So, without further ado, let's delve into the first habit. Habit 1. Purposeful goal setting. Successful people set clear, purposeful goals. They have a vision for their future and outline actionable steps to achieve it. It's like having a roadmap to guide them along their journey. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you ensure that you're constantly moving forward and making progress towards realizing your dreams. Habit 2. Effective time management. Time is a precious resource, and successful individuals understand this better than anyone else. They prioritize their tasks, eliminate distractions, and focus on what truly matters. By practicing effective time management skills, you maximize productivity, minimize stress, and ultimately make the most out of every single day. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 3. Continuous learning. Education doesn't end with a degree. Successful people have an insatiable thirst for knowledge and are committed to lifelong learning. Whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses, they constantly expand their horizons, sharpen their skills, and stay ahead of the curve. Habit 4. Building a strong network. Success isn't achieved in isolation. It's vital to surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and uplift you. By building a strong network of supportive individuals, you gain access to valuable insights, opportunities, and collaborations that can propel you towards your goals. Habit 5. Embracing failure. Failure is inevitable, but successful people view it as an opportunity for growth and learning. They understand that failure is simply a stepping stone on the path to success, and they use setbacks as valuable lessons to fuel their determination and resilience. Habit 6. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Success goes beyond financial accomplishments. It encompasses your overall well-being. Successful individuals prioritize their physical and mental health. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle, they have the energy and clarity of mind to tackle challenges head-on and perform at their best. Habit 7. Taking action. Success thrives on action, not just planning. Successful people have a bias towards action, always finding ways to turn their dreams into reality. They understand that execution is as important as strategizing, and they don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it themselves. Habit 8. Resilience. Life will undoubtedly throw curveballs your way, and successful individuals are prepared to face them with unwavering resilience. They don't let failure, criticism, or setbacks define them. Instead, they bounce back stronger, learning from their experiences and using them to fuel their determination. Habit 9. Positive mindset. Your mindset plays a significant role in your success. Successful individuals have a positive mental attitude and believe in their ability to overcome challenges. They practice visualization, positive affirmations, and surround themselves with positivity, attracting success and creating a mindset that can conquer any obstacle. Habit 10. Giving back. Last but not least, successful people understand the importance of giving back to society. They use their success as a platform to make a positive impact on the world. By helping others and making a difference, they not only contribute to the greater good but also experience a deep sense of fulfillment in their own lives. And there you have it, the 10 habits that will make you successful. By adopting these habits and incorporating them into your daily routine, you can unlock your true potential and pave your way to a life of greatness. Remember, success is within your reach, and it all starts with the habits you cultivate. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Until next time, go out there and make it happen.